if you're experiencing a connection refused error on AbacusNext 2026. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check network connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Try accessing other websites or services to confirm that your network is functioning properly. Step 2. Restart AbacusNext. Close the AbacusNext application completely and reopen it. This can help reset any temporary issues that may be causing the connection problem. Step 3. Verify server status. Check if the AbacusNext server is operational. Visit their official website or contact support to see if there are any known outages or maintenance activities. Step 4. Configure firewall settings. Make sure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking AbacusNext. Add the application to the allowed list or temporarily disable the firewall to see if it resolves the issue. Step 5. Update software. Ensure that you are using the latest version of AbacusNext. Check for updates and install any available patches, as these can fix bugs and improve connectivity. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection refused error on AbacusNext 2026. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to technical support for further assistance.